everyone, welcome to Dazola Designs, and I know this looks like a complete mess right now, but I just wanted I wanted to make a little tutorial on how to tuck in your loose ends when you're done with a project, or maybe you have like a multi-step project. I know when I was first starting out in crocheting, I didn't understand how to do it, so I would literally just like tie knots here and there. But there is a correct way on how to tuck your loose ends in, okay? So we are going to start that right now. And I know this looks kind of crazy. I just finished this, this was a granny square tutorial, and it just has a lot of different colors, and I thought, well, this would be a great video to show how to tuck in your loose ends. So you're going to need, obviously, a completed project or something that you're working on, and you're going to need a yarn needle. Okay, and let me zoom in just a little bit so everyone can see. So when we're doing, say, you know, this one has several different colors and you fasten off and you're stuck with this loose strand of yarn, what do you do with that? So here's what you do. You get your yarn needle, and again, I didn't even know anything about this before. I would just use my hook, which you can do, but a yarn needle is much better and it goes a lot quicker. So you just fold the yarn in half, or not even in half, just fold it the end over, and you put the end through the loop like so, and then you just pull it through. Okay, and this is any project that you're finished will most likely go through the wash. So all you want to do is just weave it through. And I like going through right up here, okay, and then go through these loops like so. And you want to make sure that you are in just the back of the project. You want to make sure that you're not going through the front loops. You see that? So just stay in the back loops of the project, and you go one way like this, and then you go the opposite way. And this way, when I go back the second time, I only go through 3 or 4 loops like so. You see? And then you go back the other way. I know in some of my tutorials, I don't want them to be like 20 hours long, so, and a lot of people do this, you know, they're very short on how to do this part. So that's why I'm making a video. So you go one way, and then back the other way, and then back the other way. Why do you go back 3 times? It locks it in. So when you run this through the wash, it will not come out. So when you're done, you just cut the strand, and that is good to go. Okay? And so let's do, we'll do this pink one right here. And this is a short strand. I always like to leave a long piece of yarn at the end, yarn train, I guess you would call it. I don't know what the correct term is. It is for it. But even with short strands, you see what I'm doing? I'm going through 3. So you pull it one way, and then you go the other way, and then I'll go through 3 right here, like so. And then I'll go through another 4. And then you just pull it through. Okay? And you cut this like so. And then let's do one more. Okay, we'll work on this one right here. So it's fold in half, put through the eye, pull through, and then this one will go right here. So again, this one's kind of short. So I just go through 3. So that is 1 time, 2, and 3. Okay. So I just thought I'd make this little video for everyone struggling. I know the struggle is real, but hopefully this helps you out, okay? And this is a cute granny square that I just did. But hopefully that just helps you out. So you want to just go through and tuck everything through and just practice, 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 because practice makes better, especially in the world of crochet. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone is doing well, and I hope this helps. And if you like my videos, please subscribe. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.